In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the double-click speed on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select mouse. And then there should be something that says double click speed. You can drag it to left or right to adjust the amount of time needed between two clicks to make them a double click. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.